Welcome back editors. Today I recreated Fictic Editz style new edit on Alight Motion. If this banger hits 300 likes, then I drop with reset. That's it all. Thanks for watching.